Alright guys, so we're on a night run today, so something of a special cave. It's one I grew up coming to. My buddy who's actually with me today, his name's Nathan, brought me to it when we were younger. We never really got to explore much of it, but today we're gonna go push all the way to the back of the top section. I've already been to the bottom section. I'll show that clip right after this, but we also just hiked over there to the suspect's opening and confirmed that it was, so we'll have to come back again to this one and check out that area over there and rappel into it and see what it's got. So we'll pick back up when we get up there. How'd it go? So.
Alright, let's go.
Yep. Alright, so we just made it over here. We're at the entrance now. Buddy's up there waiting. Check this out though. So the waterfall hits a shelf, and then it whirlpools down into another shelf and hits the bottom. And as y'all saw in that last clip, we went down, we rigged off at this point, and we went down this tube right here. But this is what it looks like above it. You see where it's whirlpooling down in that bottom section, but we're about to go explore all this. All right, guys, we're entering it now. Look at, dude, oh my God, look at that spider up there. I'll try to zoom in on the video. That is a big mama, dude. That's probably what it was. Yeah. Dude, yeah, that looks crazy right there. Dude, the ceiling textures. Look at all the rock. Dude, it's crazy coming back here with much brighter light. Cause it changes everything, dude.
Instead of nighttime light?
Yeah. For sure. Like a little 300 lumen light. Because the one that you have on right now is like 2600, and then this one's 3500. And then the one I got today at REI is 10,000 lumens. That's the one I was using at the beginning of the video. Check this thing out. Let's see which one's brightest. 45. Okay. Bad gun, dude. Dude. These textures are kind of crazy looking.
Looks like a black widow.
Oh yeah, some condensation on it. Oh dude, the stream has shifted since last time. Which has been like years, but dude, yeah, the stream shifted. It didn't used to cut through this close. Remember? It used to just be a rock all the way across right here. They carved out another way. Alright, ready to start crawling? Nah, you trust me, you're gonna get wet feet anyway. It's always, that's like a caver thing. It's like anytime you go into a cave that's wet, you try as long and as hard as possible to not get your feet wet, but it always happens. We may be getting wet up here, by the way. Dude, this is flowstone. Huh? It's called flowstone. Dude. Yeah, dude, come look at this. Look at how it ripples.
What?
Look at how it ripples down.
Yeah.
You know, what's see that here?
That's the sediment coming up with it.
Yeah. This is crazy because that water flow is constant. See that?
It's pretty fresh, dog.
Whoa. Dude. I don't either, dude. Like I said, dude, having a lot more light changes caves entirely. Whoa. Whoa, dude. Look up through there.
Huh?
Look up through there.
Just go up there.
It's just all the pretty stalactites.
Yeah, dog.
Dude, but these look like flat too. That's weird. I want to see what goes up through here. Oh. Am I talking to this? Whoa. Alright, so we got Nathan crawling through now. Keep your arms forward. There you go.
Do what?
I was saying keep your arms forward.
In it like a worm?
Yeah. You gotta keep your butt down. Like inch with your toes.
I'm done.
Heck yeah, man. There's your phone. Check us out over here. Whoa, dude, there's a whole water droplet suspended in this spider web. Dude, come look at this.
This bat sound asleep, though.
I know, dude, he's snoozing. What?
Check that out. That's shiny right there.
Yeah, it's probably sulfur.
There's something. You see it?
Yeah.
In the rock?
Oh yeah, it's glowing gold over there. Slap your head down a little bit more.
Huh?
Look down a little bit more with your head, you'll see the gold. Well, it's not gold, but it's sulfur in the water. Yeah. Whoa, dude. Yeah, dude, this. A little room going now. This is the part that I've never been to yet. What, dude, that rope is getting like calcified. You get to it? Calcifying the rope. That's something that's dry. I may just sort of climb up over it. Let me see what the rope even does. Dude, that's it's literally rock. It's literally rock at this point. I wonder how long that rope's been there though. That has to have been there for a while, dude. It's a pretty good sized room. Little bat right there. More bats. Dude, this opens up a pretty good bit.
Yeah.
Is this the first you've been in it too? Dude, what? It's like there's natural tar.
Huh?
I said there's natural tar in the earth that'll seep through caves sometimes.
Yeah.
But what's crazy is sometimes it doesn't even make sense. It's like pure white. It's not very common.
Really?
Oh, a waterfall back here or something.
That might be where that water.
This may actually, yeah, this might be that top section we saw. Oh no. This is coming from like further in the cave. But I bet it leads to it though. Dude, oh my god. Little land bridge. Oh dude, it goes down right here too.
That might be where we were.
Yeah, oh, yeah, but it looks like, I think that's what Waterfall is. Yeah, okay. That was
That's
the
big,
first
dog. I need to take a picture of it. My dad's gonna be.
Yeah, dude, I think that's what too. Alright, we just made it over across the waterfall. Got these ripples in the water. Ooh, oh, dude, yep. Got wet boots now. That's not I got wet boots now because that's really slick. Dude, just all these formations. Dude. Yeah, dude, look at all this. It's so white. So this might just take donut glaze and just poured it all over the wall. This looks crazy. Dude, oh my, this is beautiful. This is so slick. Whoa. Go check that out up there. Do we go up or do we go this way?
Follow the water.
Follow the water?
I think so.
Alright.
My reasoning? Because of all that mud.
Oh yeah.
I mean, that's an extreme.
Yeah. It's gonna make sense.
I'm amazed at all the different kinds of rock.
Dude, yeah. No, most caves are just like tan. But this one's colorful. We got like black formations, white formations, tan, yellow, red. Sick, dude. I'm trying to get up this without falling. Nice.
Look at that, dude.
Yeah, I know. It's just like, look at all this though.
Yeah, that's sick.
Oh wow.
We're right here.
Yeah, dude, check this out. Oh, dude. I bet we're getting close to that waterfall. 'Cause I hear it.
Think so?
Dude, look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, whoa. Dude, I want to go up there. There's a bat all the way back here. There's broken glass through here. Popcorn. Get up there. Whoa. Dude, this is sick up here. I said this is pretty sick up here. That's two formations right there. Just the upper chamber of that other room. Let's see what's up here though. Whoa.
How's it look?
It's really pretty up here.
Huh?
It's really pretty up here.
Pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. Huh. That's kind of worth it. Huh. Pretty crazy, dude.
What news you got for me?
It cuts off, so it's very pretty though. We'll come back down.
Hey, look up.
Okay, well that was just a baby waterfall. Thought maybe that was gonna be the big one.
Got some steam though.
Oh yeah. I did something bigger, I think.
Oh.
I think I did something even bigger. Oh, that's really slick. Oh, dude. Yeah, we're at a waterfall. Oh, look at the sulfur, dude. The sulfur's seeping through the rocks, and it glows when it mixes with the water. It's like gold. Okay, this is really, really slippery.
Yeah. Somehow not here when it's Sulfur.
Oh, I was saying go up right here. Look around it. I gotta get wet. Whew. All right. I say we go this way first.
All right, man.
Oh, that's weird. You feel the breeze flowing this way now.
Opening to a cave over there?
That could be the opening. Cause yeah, that would make no sense.
Go check it out on the way back.
Yeah.
How deep does this thing go?
That's what I'm wondering.
Huh?
Dude, it opens up back in here.
A little waterfall. Whoa, dude. Come look up right here. I got the big light for this. Look up. I come over here. No, come over here and look up. Oh, yeah.
Let's keep going over here though.
It looks like it might.
Oh yeah, but that tastes good. Let's come back and check that part out with some rope or something. Maybe when it's not as wet, I can say. That's all pretty slick right now.
Huh?
That's all pretty slick right now. I bet if he's going up over that. Let's keep pressing on the other way. Oh, dude, this is about to get really low.
How low's low?
It's pretty low.
Long time dry. So wet.
I don't know if I can promise you that through here.
Huh? Dude, look how flat the sea is.
That's what I'm seeing. Like a pool over here.
Huh?
It's a whole pool over here.
Yeah.
Oh man.
What?
That's not too deep. Let's keep going.
How is it?
Oh, it funnels off.
Is that in?
It gets too small, it looks like.
Oh, no.
Alright. We'll go check out those other areas.
Huh?
So we'll go check out those other areas. So that way the split goes.
That's where that moves.
Oh yeah.
Can we go up there?
Yeah, I want to check that out.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That might be the opening, dog.
That's what I'm thinking too. Cause the wind coming out of that. Oh yeah. I bet it's picking up on the microphone too.
Did you see the waterfall?
Yeah, it wasn't like crazy. I saw about the flow of it, and that probably matches it.
Hey, watch that. I'm gonna jump over.
Okay. Oh. Dude, that breeze. That's like it's flowing.
Yeah. That's flowing far.
That's gotta be it.
Got it, right?
I don't know if I want to go in that.
Exactly. Let's stick that one.
It'll be so wet, man.
I'm already wet.
Oh, look at it, dude. That's definitely it. That matches the flow from what I saw.
Go over that way. That matches the what?
The flow of what I saw.
I think you're making stuff up.
I swear. Oh, dude, look. Oh. All right, come on some diamonds. Look at the big light out.
Huh?
Don't look at the big light out to look at this.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Alright, I'm gonna look now.
Crazy amount of water coming off of the tube.
Sem parar, 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 sembrando amor.
Dude, oh, if we reach the other side of this water right here, it's like a little room. I don't know how deep that is. Dude, if I had a rain jacket on, I'd go over there. But I don't know about fighting that stream right now. I gotta get away from the stream, so. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna get cold fast. Oh!
Alright, you wanna just, I guess we gotta call it now, and then we can stop by and check out underneath the waterfall right quick. It wasn't this one though. No, it's the other one, yeah. So, I guess we'll check that out, and then I'll have to come back with some rope or something, check out the other opening. Alright. Check out these crystals. Huh. This thing is beautiful. So yeah, where I just was comes down right here. We're still making our, ooh, that's so slick. We're still making our way back to the waterfall. See how slick that is? Just like nothing. Nathan over there making his way back. Fucking man. Alright, so back to the waterfall now. We're gonna check out this little section to the right of it. See if it goes anywhere.
So loud! Oh, dude, I'm gonna have to get wet. Oh man, keep going. The back end of another waterfall. This is the entrance room. I'm just on the other side of it now. Yeah. Yeah, 'cause down there is where we climbed in at. Heck yeah. Alright, well I guess we're about to call back out.
Alright, so we just made it out. It's a pretty crazy cave. Finally glad we got to explore the rest of it. This thing's pretty big. We'll definitely have to come back with some rope and check out those other holes that we found. But until next time, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Keep us doing what we love doing. Keep being able to show it to y'all. See y'all on the next one.
Looking for the cannibals.